Then a stranger walks with us, and to our surprise, he opens our stories, and he opens our eyes. And our hearts burned within us as we talked down the way, how all that was promised was ours on that day. So we begged him, stay with us and grant us your word. We welcomed the stranger and we welcomed the Lord. And that evening at table, as he blessed and broke bread, we knew it was Jesus arisen from the dead. Though he vanished before us, we knew he was near, the life in our dying and the hope in our fear. On our journey to Emmaus, in our stories and feast, with Jesus we claim that the greatest is least. And his words burn within us, let none be